amazing people, welcome and welcome right back onto my channel. In today's video we'll be talking about the Snapchat lotion as well as the selfie body lotion. Which one works better, or which one you should look out for in terms of lightening up your skin, or you just want to glow your skin and look all flawless, all beautiful, just like the name implies.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Hey wonderful people, welcome and welcome right back onto my channel. If this is your first time, hi, you're highly welcome. This is Sunita. I'm based in Nigeria. I film about skincare videos and everything relating to beauty. So if you're a returning subscriber, hi, welcome back to this very one. Endeavor to like this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and yeah, that way YouTube will help recommend the videos to other people who want to see something like this. And don't forget to always put on your post notification bell icon so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos. So without further ado, let's just get started already. Okay, you guys already know a lot of people have been coming to my DM for me to review the selfie body lotion as well as Snapchat, comparing them, knowing which one works better for which skin type. Okay, or maybe when glowing your skin, or when you're looking out to lighten up your skin, which one should you use between these two? So this is what we're here to talk about.
Yeah, you guys, so the Snapchat Diamond Whitening Lotion is a moisturizing lotion that targets dark spot and hyperpigmentation, thereby giving you a radiant, flawless skin. This lotion is hydroquinone free, contains natural botanicals ingredient that helps lighten your skin without giving you stretch marks, grain veins, hyperpigmentation, reduces dark spot, prevents blemishes, causes no irritation. Result is very visible within 7 days, depending on how sensitive your skin is. Mix with the serum, like if you want to really see the result, like you want to get result faster, just mix it with alongside the serum and you're definitely going to see a very nice result. And now this lotion contains glutathione, glutathione, and collagen. Is very active. It's a very active lotion. Like I said, you can as well just use it alongside the serum and the soap for best results. As for the selfie whitening body milk, is a moisturizing lotion that targets dark spot and hyperpigmentation, thereby giving you a radiant, flawless skin. This lotion is hydroquinone free, contains natural botanicals ingredient that helps lighten your skin without giving you stretch marks, grain veins, hyperpigmentation. It also reduces dark spots, prevents blemishes, and causes no irritation. Result is also visible in 7 days. So as usual, depending on how you use it. So do not forget that this was also formulated alongside a serum for best result. Okay, so like I said, if you're going to see any result, like you want to use this lotion, try as much as you can to get it alongside the serum. That way the result is going to be very visible and glaring that you're using something different. So you guys, lest I forget, as for those who want to ask or know the price, for now I'd say get it from their website, or better still, you can get it from any cosmetic shop that you're sure that they sell original products. The prices varies, like where you get it matters, depending on your location. The last time I checked, it was sold for 12,000, others 18,000. So if you check Jumia, you're definitely going to see a different thing as well. So that's why I'm not always certain when it comes to telling you about the prices of things. Okay, so that is how it is sold for.
The selfie lotion as well as the Snapchat lotions were made by the company that produced glutathione injection. If you've not watched that video, please check out my other videos. You're definitely going to find those videos. If not, I'm going to leave the card up here so you guys can watch for yourself. I've made a review about that particular product, or the particular lotion. I have used it myself. The only reason I stopped using it was because it's just lightening me way too much. It gets to that point in your life where you just want to stop everything lightening. You just want to maintain your skin tone as well as glowing it out, because it's not just about lightening up, it's also about maintaining what skin color you've gotten from a certain lotion. Do you understand? So that's why I stopped using the glutathione injection. Secondly, it's because of the green veins, because I have so many veins. If I'm not careful with the kind of lotions I use, I get review a whole lot. So I don't like that. I don't like things like that on my skin, so that's why I stopped using it. But other than that, like I said, nothing was wrong with the lotion. The lotion is amazingly good. Okay, so those are the same people that produced this particular Snapchat lotions. Okay, now for those people who feel Snapchat lotion lightens the skin and okay, yeah, the truth is that Snapchat lotion can kind of lighten the skin, but it doesn't whiten the skin. It doesn't bleach your skin in any way. It kind of lighten your skin and make it look flawless. It doesn't have hydroquinone. Yeah, it's hydroquinone free. For those people who are saying that are going to use Snapchat, or who are looking out for you to use Snapchat to lighten up their skin or whiten up their skin, you're definitely going to get it the wrong way. But if you're looking out to lighten lighten your skin and not whitening your skin. Trust me, you're on your way to getting a very good skin complexion. Don't look out to use this particular lotion to whiten up. It just going to lighten you as well as glowing your skin. It gives you this even skin tone because of the glutathione injection inside of it. Okay, now for the selfie, that kind of glows your skin and makes your skin, for me, if you ask me, I'll tell you, use selfie lotion if you want to maintain your skin tone. That is the only, like, that's the only definition there is to this particular lotion. Okay, so if you're looking out to use selfie lotion, use it with the intention of maintaining your skin tone as well as giving your skin that radiance it needs to survive. Do you understand? So don't say you're going to use the selfie for whitening because I said selfie. Yeah, the selfie there is just, you know, when you're taking a selfie, it makes you look beautiful, makes you look flawless. So that's why they said selfie. So it kind of, you know, blend out your skin tone and then it doesn't give you knuckles. Okay, as for the Snapchat is also very good. Of course, you guys have heard from the ingredient listing that is the glutathione injection that is inside of the Snapchat that makes it a little stronger than the selfie. So Snapchat does not whiten the skin, it kind of lightens your skin and blends your skin at the same time. It doesn't give you any form of whitening or any form of bleachy effect. It doesn't give you redness. Do you understand? Like I said, there's no lotion that you're going to use that contains whitening or lightening ingredients that do not require you to use moisturizers or sunscreen. Also try to moisturize your skin as well as using a sunscreen. These products, they also have their serums that you can actually use alongside. Okay, if you want like a very enhanced skin tone or skin brightening, you want to like really enhance your skin tone, you can as well just use it with the serum. Okay, it has the tablet soap. You guys be rest assured that Snapchat or selfie lotions do not have their shower gel yet. They have not produced their shower gel yet. So if you see any of the shower gels out there, be it Snapchat, be it the selfie lotion, please kindly ignore because it is fake. It is not coming from them. If you're buying, you're going to buy it in their range. Okay, they have their face cream, they also have their tablet soap as well as the serum. Okay, of course, you know it comes with the lotion, so it doesn't have any type of liquid soap or bathing like any kind of shower gel. So please kindly ignore that so that you don't fall into the wrong hands. And that is how you should, like, if you want to use, like I said, if you want to use the Snapchat lotion to lighten up or you want to use it to whiten up, use it alongside the serum. That way you'll get a very good result, like a very glaring result. Okay, like in a month, if you're using this lotion in a month, you should be able to see something significant. Like you should be able to see something significant on your skin because yeah, that's how the product works. Okay, so with that being said, I hope this has been able to help you in a way. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe if you've watched up until this point, and I'll definitely see you guys in my next one very soon. Bye.